If you've ever told yourself, I'll start eating healthier next week, or I'll start exercising when I get a moment, you're not alone. Most people wait until the perfect moment to begin their health journey, but that moment never really comes. The truth is, taking the first step doesn't have to mean overhauling your entire life or following some impossible routine. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 3 of the easiest ways to kickstart your health journey before 2026. These are simple changes that you can implement in your daily lifestyle, and they build real momentum without the burnout or the guilt that makes most people quit. All right, now let's start with the first new habit. The first habit, now hear me out, is movement. Now, if the word movement made your body clench and your shoulders tense because you're picturing a gym or a treadmill or some personal trainer yelling, "Push through the pain," don't worry. We're starting with the simplest, gentlest form of exercise, and that is just moving your body a little bit more today than you did yesterday. Movement is the simplest way to wake up your entire system. It gets the circulation going, it gets the lymph pumping, it boosts your mood, it improves your sleep, and literally gets everything moving from your bowels to your energy levels. The truth is, your body was made to be in motion. You don't need to work out, you just need to move. People turn this into a giant, intimidating project, but it doesn't need to be. You don't need a 45-minute workout at 5 a.m. chugging a green smoothie. And you might be thinking, if I can't do it perfectly, I'll just wait till Monday. No! Movement isn't about perfection. It's just about a natural new rhythm in your life. So here's your action plan. Start with a 15-minute rule. Just move 15 minutes a day. That's it. You could walk, stretch, dance in your kitchen, march in place while watching Netflix. I don't care. Just move. Another idea is to do a post-meal 5-minute walk. So a 5-minute walk after breakfast, a 5-minute walk after lunch, and a 5-minute walk after dinner. That is 15 minutes over the course of your day, and it doesn't even feel like you actually worked out. And your energy levels, your digestion, your blood sugar, it will all improve within about a week. And another idea is to just let movement fit into the normal course of your day. Here's what I mean. Park far away from the store entrance when you go shopping. You could always take the stairs instead of the elevator. You could do calf raises while you brush your teeth. You could stretch your body before you go to bed at night. These small gestures are telling your body that you are no longer a person who's afraid to move. No, you are now a person who is strong and motivated and energized. Now this is important because you need quick wins, real noticeable shifts. So with consistent movement after 7 days, your joints will feel less stiff, your digestion will improve, your mood will get better, your sleep will improve, your bloating will decrease, your energy will stay steadier throughout the day, you'll feel more motivated to make good food choices, and better yet, you'll start believing, hey, I can actually do this. Movement creates momentum, and momentum creates real motivation. And if you struggle with staying consistent after a few days, you're gonna love habit number 2 because this is the one that keeps people on track when their motivation fades. If the thought of drink more water makes you roll your eyes because it just sounds so boring, or you're picturing a giant glass that you'll just never finish, don't worry about that. This isn't about chugging gallons of water. We're going to keep hydration simple. It's just about giving your body the water that it actually needs. Water is so important for the body, and it's vital for every bodily function. For example, it makes your digestion work so much better. It supports energy production. It gets your skin glowing. It powers every cell, muscle, and organ, and it keeps your brain sharp. When you consistently consume enough water every single day, you will notice that your cravings will drop, your body's energy will stay steadier throughout the day, and your body will feel like it just works better. Maybe you've tried those tracking apps, or drinking fancy detox waters, or just setting these impossible goals, and they just don't stick. You might be thinking, oh, I need to drink 8 glasses or it just doesn't count. No. Hydration just needs to be included as part of the everyday rhythm of your life. Just small sips throughout the day is sufficient. So here's your action plan. Every day, upon waking, you'll brush your teeth and then you will drink a glass of water. Have an 8 to 12 ounce glass of water every single morning. Your body is actually dehydrated when you wake up. Your body's gone through several hours in a row without any fluids at all. So this is the time when it's really important to bring hydration into the body. And drinking water first thing in the morning is a powerful daily practice because you're setting the tone for your entire day. You're doing something healthy for yourself right away in the morning, and you will notice that your energy will shift, you'll feel much clearer, and your body will feel cleaner. This is a great way to give your body the hydration it needs to think, move, and feel its best. In addition to your morning glass of water, just concentrate on sipping throughout the day. Bring a water bottle with you wherever you go and sip consistently throughout your day. You could even get crazy with adding a little bit of lemon or adding some cucumber or a sprig of mint. And this will all help with keeping some variety in your water drinking plan. These simple steps make hydration simple, automatic, and enjoyable. And you're not only hydrating yourself, you're supporting your digestion, you're supporting your energy levels, you're preventing headaches, and you're really enhancing your overall well-being. After 7 days of consistent hydration, your energy levels will remain steady throughout the day, your digestion will improve, your headaches will go away, your brain fog will lessen, your skin will become more radiant, your moods will be better, and you should notice that your cravings are much easier to manage. Hydration really sets the foundation for total well-being. Before we move on to the final habit that turns these early wins into a lasting lifestyle, don't forget to hit subscribe so that you don't miss my next breakdown on building healthy habits that actually stick in 2026. Now for the habit that ties everything together: eat God's food. God's food is the food that grows from the earth. Think fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. This is the food we are meant to eat. It's clean, it's whole, it's unprocessed. This is about eating real, whole, nutrient-dense food so that your body can operate as it's designed. Free from pain, free from inflammation, free from extra weight. This is the food that as humans we are meant to eat. God's food supports optimal digestion, skin health, hormone balance, mental clarity, and your natural energy. Now you might be thinking, where do I even start? Do I have to give up my favorite foods? Do I have to meal prep? What if I don't eat perfectly? You don't have to overhaul your whole kitchen. You just need to choose the foods that come from the earth versus foods that come from a manufacturing plant or a fast food joint. So a very simple question you can ask yourself before you eat something is, did this come from the earth? Or did this come from some manufacturing plant or restaurant? Little shifts create big results. So here's your action plan. Eat 1 apple a day. When you wake up in the morning, you're gonna brush your teeth, have that first glass of water, and then consume an apple. Fruit is the best thing you can have first thing in the morning because it helps ease your body into digestion, it balances your blood sugar, and it really enhances your gut microbiome by nourishing the good gut bacteria. And what's even better about this morning plan is that it's 0 effort, 0 stress, and 0 prep. And you're starting your day off with a nutritional win. Now, if you want to see results faster, concentrate on bringing in more of the healthy, whole food from the earth as part of your lunch and your dinner, as opposed to the packaged, boxed, processed junk food. You'll want to stay away from the boxed and prepared and ultra-processed foods because these are the foods that leave you tired and inflamed. And after a consistent practice of eating an apple a day and bringing in more natural foods into your daily routine, you will notice that your digestion will improve, your mood will lift, your energy will increase, your bloating will go down, you'll look a lot better, and you will be proud because you are actually doing this. Each of these habits are easy enough to start today, and they're powerful enough to change your entire life. So remember, move your body 15 minutes a day, drink water upon waking, and eat an apple first thing in the morning. These are small changes that will create lasting results. Stick with this plan every single day and watch how your body changes. And the next thing you know, you're living in a body that's lighter, stronger, more energized, and better looking. Your journey can begin today, and your 2026 is gonna be amazing.